USA Powerlifting violate the state's Human Rights Act when it didn't let a trans woman compete. The Minnesota Supreme Court just ruled yes, they did. Our Caroline Cummings is live in St. Paul with the ruling. Caroline.
Well, hi there, Shayla. So the Minnesota Supreme Court in its ruling today said that, quote, USA Powerlifting's policy at the time of its decision was to categorically exclude transgender women from competing in the women's division. And the state's highest court reversed part of an appeals court decision on this issue. JayCee Cooper is a transgender athlete who was denied entry into 2 women's competitions in 2018. She sued, arguing that doing so amounted to discrimination and violated Minnesota's Human Rights Act. USA Powerlifting, though, argued their policy wasn't because of her transgender status, but because she had, quote, strength advantages.
The court found USA Powerlifting liable for discrimination. In other words, that when it comes to discrimination, public accommodation, you cannot bar transgender women from women's sports teams. And that is a huge victory. We are so proud.
The Supreme Court did send one issue, the business discrimination claim that JayCee Cooper made, back to a district court for further proceedings. We reached out to USA Powerlifting for comment, but we haven't heard back. But we did get a statement from GOP Minnesota House Speaker Lisa Damuth, who said, quote, today's decision marks yet another setback in the fight to protect girls' sports. Shayla.
Our Caroline Cummings reporting. Thank you so much, Caroline.